What's going on, K-Spec Fam? It's your boy Kenyon with K-Spec Detailing, and I'm back with another video. Today we got a video that's going to be kind of all over the place, but bear with me. Today we got a full interior on this vehicle. We already vacuumed it, everything. We just didn't record it. Starting this video off, you can see we got the smoke removal. You can pick this up at any local hardware, Walmart. It works good. Then we're gonna hit the carpets with some carpet cleaner. This is what I usually use, the shampoo as well, but it works good for me. A little bit of drill brush action to help loosen up them fibers so that way when you come through the extractor, everything will come up nice and easy. So what I'm doing right here is working it in segments. Reason I'm doing this is because it's a lot more surface area, so that way you kind of don't get overwhelmed and don't oversaturate some certain parts. You want to know everything you're cleaning at all the time to be able to perform exceptional results. So like I said, working in sections, what I'm doing right now is applying some carpet lines for aesthetics. This is not necessary. I do this with my company. You don't have to do it with yours, but I like the way it looks. some of this moving to the back seat, I'm going to spray some of this upholstery clean all over the seat, hit it with some of that drill brush action, then extract it and move to the next seat. Like I said from the beginning, this video is going to be a little bit jumpy, but repeating the process we did to the seats and all the other upholstery, we're going to do it to the carpets with love. So since the back of these seats weren't too dirty, you can get away with spraying some upholstery clean and then the drill brush and then drying to get your desired look. When it comes to the front seats, we're just going to repeat the process that we did on the entire vehicle. wrapping up this vehicle, you can see after shampooing this entire vehicle, you can see all the dirt and grime coming from this vehicle. For all those who say their car isn't dirty, 9 times out of 10, that's definitely a lie. Again, if you guys are liking this content, make sure you are liking and subscribing. I'm Kenyon, owner of K-Spec Detailing, and I'm signing off.